Simhat Torah is a Jewish celebration that has roots neither in Torah or in the rabbinic authorities. Simhat Torah was created by the people. There were two customs for reading the Torah publicly amongst the Jewish people. In the land of Israel, they read it over 3 years, and in Babylonia, they read it in 1 year. And that 1 year custom is what won out. So today, the Jewish people read the whole of the 5 books of Moses in 1 year. We finish its reading at the end of the festival of Sukkot. Now, the people at the end of that reading felt that it was a reason to celebrate, and so they celebrated. And they celebrated in all different ways. They lit their lulavim on fire, because it was the end of Sukkot, and would dance around the synagogue. They would read the top 10 readings of the Torah at night and call people up. And the truth is, when the rabbis saw this, they didn't like it very much. They tried to stop it. But the joy of the Jewish people in the culmination of reading the Torah won out, and the rabbis joined them rather than opposed them. And so, from a grassroots endeavor, Simchat Torah became a national celebration of our annual reading of the Torah.